Did you miss the tax filing deadline and you're now wondering how much trouble you're in with the IRS? Keep watching this video till the end, because late filing or late payment isn't something to ignore. The IRS applies penalties quickly, and they can grow fast if you don't act. The penalties you could face, how those penalties are calculated, and how you might be able to reduce or even remove them. I'm Vanessa Peters, and at SK Financial CPA, we've helped countless clients deal with IRS penalties, reduce the damage, and get back on track. What happens when you file or pay late? Let's start with the basics. There are two types of penalties the IRS charges: failure to file and failure to pay. The failure to file a penalty is steep. It's 5% of the unpaid taxes per month, up to a maximum of 25%. That means if you owe $10,000 and you're 3 months late filing, you could face a $1,500 penalty just for not filing. Now let's talk about the failure to pay the penalty. This is 0.5% of the unpaid tax per month, also maxing out at 25%. And on top of both of these, interest is charged, usually around 7 to 8% annually. Filing and paying late? It gets worse if you both file and pay late. The penalties combine. But the IRS does slightly reduce the failure to file penalty from 5% down to 4.5%, still adding up to a total of 5% per month. How to avoid or reduce IRS penalties? Here's the good news: you can do something about it. If you're not going to make the filing deadline, file for an extension. This gives you until October to file your return. But here's the part many people miss: the payment is still due in April. So even with an extension, try to pay as much as you can by the deadline to avoid or reduce penalties. Can you remove IRS penalties? Yes, you can with the right assistance and expert guidance. Option 1. First-Time Penalty Abatement. If you've filed and paid on time for the past 3 years, you may qualify for a one-time penalty removal, no detailed explanation needed. It's the IRS's way of giving compliant taxpayers a break. Option 2. Reasonable cause relief. Even if you don't qualify for first-time relief, you can still request a penalty removal if you had a valid reason, like a serious illness or natural disaster. You'll need to file Form 843 and provide documentation to support your case. Contact us today to further investigate. Penalties can be stressful, but you're not stuck. The sooner you take action, the more options you have. If you're dealing with IRS penalties or need help filing back taxes, SK Financial CPA is here to help. We specialize in working with such matters and give you the right representation that you deserve. Book a consultation today at www.skfinancial.com or call us directly at 813-322-3936. Let's talk about how we can help you move forward with peace of mind.